Hello, everyone. To understand the deep teaching of the microcosm inside the macrocosm, is to first take a look at the human body. Take a look at how every cell has a function, has a purpose to be there. If every cell had the same function or purpose, it would only need one cell. But instead, you have trillions and trillions of cells that have a certain responsibility to uphold the oneness of the body. Whether they're cells in the liver, cells in the heart, cells in the blood, cells in the skin, each individual cell has a certain responsibility to play in partner to the next. So when you look at that, every single cell has a certain responsibility or a gift or talent, if you want to label it that, to bring to the humanness of the body. To be in function, to be in partnership, to be in community with the cells around it, next it, and in communion with the entire being. Again, understand these trillions of cells live in the oneness of the human body, allowing each cell to do its function, to allow the progression, to allow the growth, to the expansion of the body, to continue to grow, to expand, absorb nutrients, to do its function, to do everything it's called for. In every membrane of the cell, there's an idea or the seed of the body that knows what the function is going to be doing, as well as what the overall function of the entire human body is, based on what your movement is, your actions, your thoughts, your speech, and going from there. When you have a cell in your body that's not up to par, or not prosperous, or not giving its entire being to the productivity of the body or the growth or expansion of the body, we call that cancer. It's a cell that's taking from the body, not actually giving to the body, and its energy is actually reversed. So understand in the microcosm of the body, that's what's happening. To expand it further to the macrocosm, understand that we're in the body of oneness. We talk about that. We're talking about the oneness of all of creation. There's an energy, a oneness of a body that created the entire creation of which we live in. Every single herb and plant and medicine and nutrient and element that comes from Mother Earth is what our body is made of. Mostly important to understand that in this macrocosm, there's a divine plan, a divine nature. Every single organism, plant, tree, bee, bush, two-legged, four-legged, winged, complements the next being of its like. Meaning the fact that if we take the bees out of the equation, the whole thing crumbles. There's a perfect divine order and plan of which everything's functioning with each other in a divine plan of keeping the oneness of the macro body of God or spirit or source or creation, whatever title you choose to give it. And so know that every human being is also an energy or a cell within that body as well. So just like each individual cell you have in your body, each individual human being or organism on this planet is a cell of the oneness of God or spirit or source or creation. So understand that if there's a cell on the planet or a being or organism on the planet that's taking from the earth or taking from the organism of the earth or the oneness of God or the universe or the cosmos or whatever title you choose to give it, that organism or that human being could be labeled as a cancer. Because it's not up to par, it's not giving its tools, its gifts, its foundation of why it even came here to be part of this oneness. So as you look around and you walk into your life and as you operate in your life, look around every day to see where you give. That unique function that you came to do in this body of oneness, the gifts and talents you brought to the planet that are unique to your own expression. Are you giving those gifts away or are you taking from others? It's time for you to focus on being the productive cell in this oneness of spirit, in this oneness of God, in this oneness of creation. And making sure you're that addition, just like the beautiful, healthy cells in your body, an addition to every day's prosperity, every day's function, every day's productivity, every day's giving and giving and giving unconditionally, every moment you walk into life. It's a hard truth to look at yourself and to be honest with yourself. Are you truly being a giving being? Are you being in every moment a being of gift, a gift of light, a gift of love, a gift of compassion, a gift of kindness, a gift of creativity, a gift of beauty, a gift of intelligence, a gift of wisdom, a gift of prosperity, a gift of abundance, a gift of love, a gift of truth, a gift of peace? These are all the characteristics of your element, of your being, of your cell, of your organism, of your human being sitting there watching this video right now. So adopt the principle of being a prosperous cell in your life, where you walk out and you add every day a little more to the day by just you being in it. Remember, you're a human being, not a human doer. So check in with yourself every morning and make a commitment to your own being, to be the productive cell in your life, in this wholeness of oneness that we live in, that's constantly prospering, loving itself, and giving to itself in the constant expansion of the energetic being, what you might call God or spirit or source or creation that you're a part of, no matter if you realize it or not. Understand this energy we're in, it's called love because it's a loving, giving self always to its own being, always whole and complete. So be the prosperous cell that you're here to be. Ayasaligia, Wakataka Unwashte, Aho, Matakiyase, Satnam, Namaste.